guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with an update Amazon affiliate video. So I have a client currently who I am setting up her Amazon affiliate store, and then I recently had another client who just set up her Amazon affiliate store. So Amazon has done away with the actual storefront, the Amazon store, and they've also done away with the influencer program. So it kind of changes the way the new people influence. So with that being said, my Amazon store, and uh I have an affiliate dashboard, something like that on Amazon because I'm basically grandfathered into the program. But what I found was that my new clients, theirs look completely different. So I wanted to just do an update to show you guys how you can gain access to your Amazon affiliate store and how you can share with people. So currently I am in my client's account, and I'm just going to scroll over to her list, and then I'm going to go to idea list. So I have been uploading products to her idea list for her here. So this is what you see. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this link, I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to paste it. So I'm going to paste that link. So this is what it looks like when I paste that link. So note, we were in her back office where it says your idea list, and these are the lists that have been created for her business. I copied that link at the top because I'm on this page. When I paste it in a different window that does not have anyone signed in, this is how it looks. So this would be the link that you need to share your Amazon store for the newer affiliate accounts. So what you would do then is take your link where it says founded on Amazon, go to a service like a link shortener like Bitly. There's some other ones out there. There's also a new black owned one. I can't remember the name of it, but it is one out there. And then you would paste your link, you would let it be a shorter link, and then you would name it whatever you want. So now when you have someone that needs to go to your link, and I'll just show you guys, I did hers, and it'll take me automatically to her store. So here's also what I want to show you guys. In your Amazon accounts, if you go to account and you scroll down to your Amazon profile, you see when we did her, you see founded on Amazon, you see a picture here, and you want that to look like something on there. You're gonna go to your profile, you're gonna go to your account, and then here is where you can upload a picture, and then here is where you can like kind of upload a background. Just to kind of help you out to make it look better. So I just wanted to make sure I was able to provide this update video for anyone who is currently doing Amazon affiliate now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Check out my podcast at Coins and Connections Podcast, available on all open platforms. Also, make sure you're following me on Clubhouse at Cinquanta, and then also check out all of my courses and tutorials at gunroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. Until next time, I love you more than love this video. Peace.